Good morning, this is episode 63 of the Asana Morning Podcast. Yesterday I wanted to have your opinion on whether or not you should train the trainer when you deploy Asana, or if you should do everything for the client and actually build everything for them. Today I want to talk about something else. When you deploy Asana, do you think you should train everyone on what is Asana and the best practices and then have the workshops and build stuff? Or do you do things the other way around? It makes a lot of sense to actually train everyone. The problem that we face early on with i.DO is that you train people and then they can't actually use Asana right away because we haven't built anything. So yes, they can start managing their own tasks and maybe manage a bunch of meetings, but it feels frustrating at first because you don't have anything ready to be used. So we kind of started to reverse that thing. So first we would meet with the champions, we would have some kind of an audit, and then we would do the workshops with the champions, and then we would train everyone else. And that training is acting as some kind of a kick-off by saying like, you can use Asana right away, everything is ready for you to be used. That actually causes problems as well, because it doesn't work if the champions do not have the ability to train themselves, or if they are not, if they don't learn fast enough. And sometimes it works really well because the champions already looked at Asana and they already trained themselves, and we can have very interesting workshops with them. And sometimes it just doesn't work because people cannot build anything on top of a tool they don't really know about, and then don't make that effort of trying to learn while doing, because this is something we think is really powerful, is learning by doing, and it doesn't work with everyone all the time. So sometimes we did reverse again by training people first. What we actually landed on recently is that we should probably train champions with a specific training that maybe goes a bit faster and a bit deeper than like a John Doe or a Jane Doe that you train. Then we have the workshops, and then we train everyone else. So let me know what you think. If you are a consultant, how you do things, I would love to know. And if you are a client and Asana was deployed at your company, I'd love to know how you actually addressed those concerns. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.